So I'm not sure if the video's out yet or not, but we just got done installing an exhaust system on the 5.0. That's why I'm sweating like crazy, but I'm super excited to jump into this next video because we're gonna be installing, I would call a party trick on Chomper, that being an MSD two-step. So hopefully by the end of this video, Chomper's gonna be sitting on a limiter, counting them off, and maybe even spin some flames. So let's go ahead and get this truck inside and get this install started. So here's the complete kit. As you can tell, not much to it. So hoping for an easy install, but we got our module. I think we're gonna be using this one white wire for our trigger. These are gonna run on each side of the engine, plug in line with the coil packs. Then this is our trigger wire. We're gonna be running this into the cabin and tapping into the brake pedal so that whenever we apply the brake, it will power the two-step and engage it. I'm gonna go get a wire tap so that it's a nice clean install and I'm not splicing everything together. Obviously, unless we put an inline kill, that's gonna prevent us from doing a burnout because it's gonna be set at that two-step RPM. But clearly, we're not really running around doing burnouts with the mud graps on here, so we can always add that later down the line. But yeah, hopefully gonna be easy. I think the hardest thing is gonna be drilling this into the firewall, getting this wire inside, tapping into a wire, but other than that, should be just plug and play. I think our best bet's gonna be somewhere over here, that way we can play with this and adjust it. Even though we got more room over there, wouldn't really be able to see. I'm thinking mount it like right here. Our cable will have to wrap back around. So I might put it over there. Be easier to mount for sure. So I'm trying to think. That could be real easy right there though. All right, we are gonna mount it over here. I think it's gonna be the best. So I'm thinking, and we can lean over and obviously see what to adjust. That looks good. I hate that mine's skin up. I don't even know if you'll notice that. The freaking outside sticker is skint. That's how I got it. But anyways, now we can run our wires each side of the engine, and then this blue and white over here. I'll show y'all how I have that wire going through. 5/16. I know it's kind of hard to see on this side because it's so covered up, but same deal. Now we're just going to run these carefully out of the way. Going to the white and blue. All right, so I got the ignition on and we do have power. We'll see if it does it without the brakes being applied or not, but basically, which I'm gonna go back, put a little dab of silicone on it. Went through the hole right there. Let me turn my flash on. Came through up there, ran back behind with the other cables, and then plugged into the white wire on the brake controller right there. We're going to verify that that gives us power all the time or just when the brake is applied. But as of right now, as you saw, we do have power. So before I clean everything up and tug everything away, we want to go outside, let the truck warm up and test it. And if it comes back popping off, we'll come back in here, tidy it up, and then we'll go have a little fun with it. All right, let's just hope it actually cranks up still. Well, our light's not on for some reason anymore, so I gotta figure that out, but I can't see it. So I'm gonna put the camera up to see if it engages when I hit the brakes. I am so stoked because I just got it working. I'm gonna show y'all properly because everybody else's videos don't show you how to wire the freaking thing. But I've got it working. It just worked. We got it baby set at 1500 RPMs, but y'all gotta hear this thing real quick. All right, we're gonna turn it up in just a second, but I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all properly. No dark video where you can't see and all that bull crap. So it is your brake power wire to where when you apply the brakes, it gets signal. It's the white wire, this farthest out one. Now how you take this black piece off is you grab your flathead or something, push this top piece in, this will pop down. I originally had another one like this on here, but it did not cut through the wires properly, and that's why it was somehow getting a signal, but it wasn't getting power. So I went ahead, took this apart, stripped the white wire about 1/2 inch, and then stripped the end of this blue wire. I've got them in there together. Obviously they're making contact, so of all your wires, it's the white one. I think the other thick one is a green one. And I'm showing y'all as good as I can because the other videos don't try to show you at all and people don't reply to comments and stuff as far as me trying to read through stuff. So I got an orange and a white. I don't know if yours is different. This is a 06 Sierra. The white one is the power so that whenever I apply the brake, it will engage. That way you don't have any weird issues. They have safety features and whatnot. So that has to drop a certain amount of RPM. So if you had it running all the time, it wouldn't like activate between shifts. With that said though, it's just a little peace of mind. I'm gonna get my little screwdriver and turn this baby up to probably about 3 grand. Let's see what she sounds like. All right, boys, 3,500. Let's see how she sounds. Oh my gosh, dude. Holy crap. Alright guys, just got done cleaning it up. Put a little dab of silicone, seal that off. Got everything nice and tucked away, zip tied up. I think it looks super clean. So now all is left is wait for Lauren to get off work and give her a little surprise. It's gonna be funny. So I actually just got done scaring Lauren pretty bad with the 5.0's new exhaust. I startled her pretty bad. So she's got her guard up right now, but I told her, I said, hey, I want to get a quick clip showing you this new thing that I installed on Chomper. So let's hope she's not too prepared for it, but she doesn't know what it is. But also, like I said, I just scared her, so she knows I'm up to no good. Welcome to the Chomper video. I installed a cool thing. It's called a 2-step. So just perfect. That was louder than expected. Congratulations, you've officially two-stepped Chomper. That was wild. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is finally time to see if Chomper is gonna spit some flames. I've currently got it set at 3,500. We'll turn it up if we need to. Well, unfortunately, no luck there, so I just bumped it up to 4,500. Getting a little scared, ain't gonna lie, but I want to see some flames out of this thing. All right, bumped it back down to 2,500. Let's see if maybe the lower RPM somehow can make it spit flames. Either way, it's gonna be the last attempt. Y'all can tell me what I'm doing wrong in the comments. Well, strike three, I am out. Still no flames. It's got so much fuel. I know the old school put a spark plug in the tailpipe thing. I know that would make it spit flames for sure because it's got a bunch of raw fuel. I don't know. I've saw a couple videos of trucks with the two-step spitting some flames. So y'all let me know what I'm doing wrong, or maybe it's just not a thing with my current setup. I don't really know. I'm new to this, but either way, it sounds absolutely sick. A ton of fun. Anytime at the truck meet or drag strip or whatever the case, it's even freaking at a red light when someone's being mouthy or something. It's going to be a fun thing to play with. So, yeah, definitely a fun little gadget. And then, of course, down the road, if we ever need to actually use it what it's designed for, to basically stall up, build your power, and then launch, then hey, we got it. But either way, I'm gonna quit beating on Chomper. I feel bad, I ain't gonna lie, but sounds sick. So hopefully y'all did enjoy the video. Comment down below, let me know. I'll see y'all in the next one.